Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Isn't this song cute? It's called Popping Balloons. It's beautiful. So, let's look at some comment UIs, shall we? Let me get some stuff ready here. So, oops, wrong window. We've had some meetings. CodePal has had some meetings, and we've decided to kill the project. Just kidding. We're not doing that. We're planning for MVP beta release, but Alpha 2 is hopefully coming in a couple of weeks, so we've made a bunch of tickets on stuff we want to build out. Melky made a bunch of tickets here. Some of them were duplicates of what I made, so this is all the stuff we're going to be looking at trying to get out before the beta, which is, a lot of it's really kind of basic stuff. It's not anything super fancy, but we could probably dumb it down even more, but then at that point it would just be signing up for something that you can't do anything on, so what's the point, right? Well, we're not quite there yet. So today I'm looking at working on the POW comments interface. He had another ticket, I thought. I might have closed it. Ooh, I like this song too. Dr. Von Groove. So maybe I deleted it, but this is what we're going to be working on. Is that music loud? You let me know, but I turned mine down. What did I set it to? Let me double check it real quick. I'll turn it down a little bit, just in case. Just in case. So, UI POW comments. I closed the other one. That's right. I forgot about that. So beta POW comments UI. Match the spec. Am I running my... Did I fix that pasting bug? Did I make a PR for that? Let me figure out where we're at. I already did. And I requested review from amongst the couple. It's his birthday today, so I'm gonna let him slide on this. I'll let him have it, okay? Oh, wait. Oh, that was weird. Did you see that? I went back and it was gone, and then I had to refresh and it was back. Okay. Let's go double back though. Back to the UI POW comments. Okay. This is what we're going to be focusing on today. My local spa should be spinning up. We don't want to be on the pasting bug anymore. Let's kill this, and we'll restart it in a second. I should have set this up before stream, but you know what? Sometimes things just don't happen the way you want them to. Okay, guys. Check out staging. Did this finish? Come on, finish for me. Come on, finish for me. There we go. Back on staging. I'm pretty sure I have the latest staging. GitHub integration, I don't need that. But let's get checkout -b comments UI. And then we'll bring this back up. Uh-oh. Did I hit enter? I think I did, but I think it froze. Oh, it just changed into like one of those hockey party songs. That's weird. Alright, well that's booting up. I'm going to close this out. I'll show you the designs. Let's show you what we got, okay people? Where is it? It is a homepage thing. But I don't know if we even show a Comments UI now that I think about it. Maybe that's why we don't have it. Let's try this main components thing. %. Oh, this is what he's calling them. That is not what I called them, but whatever. PAL code, PAL link. Oh, there's a special link. PAL image. Profile follows. I don't think they're going to mention comments in here. We got to do this toast notification sometime too. Okay, so maybe there's no styles for it, and that's why we haven't done it yet. But I can wing it. It's basically going to look like installing the dependencies. It's basically going to look like the normal house anyway. So let's kind of zoom into it to that real quick. Just wanted to make sure I unmuted myself. So usually when you click on, we don't have it in the prototype. You click on this and it would pop down in the comments. Well, shit, if I would have known that, I wouldn't have done it. But let's just get it into a decent state, and then we can get some more designs on it if we need to. Can you finish already? Booting up. I can show you the other features we have left on here. So Insomnia file update. Insomnia is like the Postman app. Insomnia is another version of it. We have a file for that to allow you to make some requests. He's just going to update that. Send email verification code. I think that's around verifying your email, obviously, but setting up that flow. We don't have that right now. Build backend to generate data dump of user's profile. We have a link for that, request my data, in the settings right now. That's a GDRP requirement, so we got to have that. UUID fix is something that he mentioned, some bug that he knows about that he needs to fix. Melky's working on all the GitHub stuff right now, so there's going to be a couple of these related to that. And add a notification socket engine. I think that's for real-time notifications, I'm guessing. We have a notifications menu that we haven't seen yet. Still starting. We haven't built out yet. Notifications page. The optional menu lacks responsiveness. So I had to ask him about this. There's an optional form you can fill out after you sign up that tells you more info, like your bio and avatar and stuff like that. And I need to rebuild that. We'll do that on the stream at some point. I'll probably take that one unless someone else gets there first. Loading screen. We're waiting to accept link from email confirmation. So that's probably a front-end task that I'll need to do. I think that's just an accept. Like, hey, we sent you an email. Check your email for confirmation. Register button fix. Agree to read terms to be enabled. We haven't enabled the terms and privacy yet. Legal issues page, similar, same thing. UI mobile menu fix is, the mobile menu is just not working right now. I'm waiting for new designs on that. We've got a new designer who's going to join the team soon, I believe. That's what I've heard. But I don't know who it is. And so once we get those, we'll work on that. And here's Melky's GitHub front end and UI stuff. He's working on those. Add the edit button for the existing POWs. We don't have that feature yet. There's a back end built for it. I just got to add it on the front end. Shouldn't be too hard. And new auth designs, auth modal designs. Modals have changed a little bit. Got to update those stylings. I'm sure I'll take that. Profile socials are not editable once entered. So I looked into that last night actually, and there's some bigger changes I want to make around it. I'm just waiting for feedback from Melky. User messaging, it's got to start in the app right now. I need to talk to Melky to get some more info on that because it's not real time right now, and so I don't know how he wants that to be, how he wants that to behave. POW editor, we need some designs for it, but basically when you're editing a brand, or the code editor is what it is. I should update that title probably. We need to design and implement that still. POW comments interface, that's what we're working on right now. Forgot password flow. You can't really do that right now, so that's another email thing. Hey, Melky! Just looking over these new tickets while I wait for my thing to boot up. It's starting still. Happy birthday, buddy! It's Melky's birthday. We had a great birthday bash on stream. So much fun. Told myself I wouldn't hassle you on CodePal stuff today, so you could have a day off. So enjoy it. Enjoy. Additional info after registration. That is the same as the optional menu, lacks responsiveness, so I'll probably move those over. 3% of CodePal. Yeah, you got on there. I figured you weren't going to get much coding done today on stream, so that's cool. All right, I think we're almost there. Still starting. Oh. So Melky, I just dived into here, and I noticed we don't have any designs for the POW comments, so I'm just going to wing it for now. But there is no design in here that shows the comments. I didn't realize that. I thought we had some, and we just hadn't filled it out yet. But hey, Mountain Trash Panda. Yeah, I was trying to pick stuff I wouldn't have to wing, but we're kind of to that point where a lot of it's winging it, but it's not terrible. We can get it. Okay, starting the development server. But I need to, this is going to be a duplicate of this one, 125. I started writing a comment, but then I figured out what it was. I asked you about it. $125, did I say? Melky Dev, thank you for the renewed subscription. This is my second month already, yeah. Wow. Close with comment. Thanks, buddy. I'll get you some emotes soon. I'm gonna make some up, you know. And I'm almost on OBS. I literally have been setting it up. I was ready to go today, and then I was like, oh shit, I haven't hooked up a mic to this yet. So I had no way to talk. And I totally forgot about that. I have a mic setup that I haven't played with yet. I have an idea of how I'm gonna do it, but I forgot to set that stuff up. So I almost went on OBS today. But after the weekend, hopefully I should have a real setup. I got to do some more, you know, like the intro screen and stuff too. I forgot about all that extra little shit that you got to do. So, but I got like the cam in there, my screen share and all, and the layout kind of there, and added the drop game. But, you know, there's a lot to add to set up for it, man. Every time I go in there, I forget it. And then as I was playing with it, I was using Streamlabs OBS and it fucking crashed on me. So now I'm like worried that it's just going to crash when I run it. So I might try just OBS instead, the regular OBS. It's ready. Okay. Still got this login issue. We gotta fix that. The expired token thing. Okay, so I got a comment here, and even though there is a comment on this, it doesn't reload the old comments, which is funny. So I guess we should fix that first, because we've already got comments, but we're not showing them. I updated my profile picture to the default one. Let me change that. Keeps tripping me up. I don't want the default avatar. I want this one. Should I see what my real one looks like in here? I don't think I've ever uploaded it. It's in my Dropbox in here. I think it's this one. There it is. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Chedded. Okay, let's load some comments, shall we? Where do you think this is? What are you going to do for the rest of your birthday, Malky? Hang out with the family? Tune into some hot tub streams? Take it easy? Oh, the family's celebrating tomorrow? Nice, nice. Yeah. I went and got pizza because I got jealous of your pizza. And I got a Coke with it. Wait, I'm pointing at the wrong camera. I even set up my other camera and I was pointing at that one, but it's not actually running that one. It's the Medio Litro. Can you see that? Kinda, huh? Medio Litro. It's the Spanish version. I renamed this to Pow. I drink a lot of soda. Yeah. I go in and out of phases, and I'm in a phase where I drink one a day now, I guess. Maybe more. So, are we even loading the comments? I see that there, I remember. Where was it? It's down here somewhere. There it is. POW comments. Oh, we do it from the get POW comments. For POW ID. Comment thread. This is it. So I think I need to move the on click up because I want to also, that's why it's not working. It should be up here. Cursor pointer, I believe. Integrate the GitHub buttons. Yeah, like how we should present it to them, you mean? Yeah. I don't know either. But it's good if you get that functionality in there. We can knock out the UI side of it pretty quick. Okay. So once that's showing, and then where do I, oh, show add comment? We shouldn't show, you have to click on the button and then expand all the comments. Is that how you want it to be, Melky? Like by default, we don't show all the comments, or do you want to, like Twitter? Ah, my thing's dead already? My light? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Here we go. We're back. Hold on, everybody. Don't trip. All right. So, yeah, I see you click on it, and then we'll show the comment. I think in here, because we already have some code, maybe we should show them all in here. It's showing the last comment, which is interesting, but not showing all of the other ones. So let's pass them in there. POW ID. And this way we can, I mean, I guess we're going to already have loaded them all by then anyway. Comments, POW comments. I really don't know what those look like, but we'll see. It's going to be an array. I know that much. An array of any. Any array. It's going to be an object. So show comment and last comment. Let's just do comments length is greater than 0 and this is kind of like a POW. Maybe not. Let's say I'll call it last set re-render. POW comment. Ah, smoking a cigar. What a true man. You can still smell it? Usually this is wrong. This should be comments.map. Comment. POW comment is a new component. POW comment from src slash. Was it a nice cigar? Was it good? This is going to be common because, well, maybe it won't be common. Light and smooth. Nice. Import React from from, oops, let's React. Export const. My hands are a little off today. And I mean, I guess I would want to copy a lot of it from here, really. Can you vote on comments? You can't, right? That seems kind of a little excessive. I say no to begin with. That's more functionality. We can add that later if we need to. We'll do it later. Okay, pal, comment. Ranger IP, I don't know what that is. Mountain Trash Panda, what is that? My VS Code's freezing. Please hold. Okay, it's good. Comment is an object. I know. I've been debating, like thinking about it, switching to something out like MVM, but I don't know if I'm on that level. You are on that level. Well, thank you. Maybe I should try it then. Comment owner. Show comment and last comment. Okay, what do we need to get this showing? We need link, user avatar, this is just going to be the comment, I believe. Is there tags on a comment? I don't think so. No tags. Since this is the comment, we don't need the next comment level. I doubt you can bookmark a comment. You can delete a comment if you are the owner. Icon button. Okay, so we need, let's just copy over a lot of shish. And then delete what we don't need. No, I can't backflip. Like on flat ground? You know, I used to be athletic. I don't know if you knew this. I grew up skateboarding. And I'm not really that flexible, to be honest, anyway. But then I spent a lot of years. Dude, I'll beat you at skate. You want to play skate? It just takes me like an hour to get warmed up these days, but I'm more of a kick flipper. But I got a heel flip in there too. Maybe not so much anymore, but I actually first learned how to heel flip, and then I later on learned how to kick flip. Oh, you're a heel flipper. Are you goofy? I can picture you being goofy. Really? Didn't see that coming. Craziest background trick? I don't have anything crazy. I don't even know crazy. You know, I done like, what the fuck is a hospital flip? Is that like a dolphin flip? You might want this. Hospital flip. Don't know if we're going to support Markdown just yet. Tag button. We're not using tags. Should already have those. Okay, so user profile. I could pass this down. Current user ID. I'd rather just pass down the current user, but hospital flip. It sounds dangerous, man. User. I think it's time to break this thing off. Did you ever film any video parts, Melky? I've got a couple video parts I can show you. Not right now, though. Not right now, but I've got them. I've actually, one of the projects haven't worked on in a while, but started, was rebuilding our old skateboard website. So I first built our skateboard website. That's how I learned how to code. Was building a website for our skateboard team where we would put up photos and videos and stuff. And I wanted to rebuild it and relaunch it. I have all the old content, but the site's been broken for a long time because it was built on PHP, some really old stuff. You got a hat once? What do you mean you got it? Like a sponsor? You were Flow for someone? You got a hat? I know a couple skaters up at, I think in Ontario area, who were, I don't know them personally, but I, followed them a little bit. My friend had a photographer friend out there, so the skate scene in Ontario was pretty good. I was kind of amazed that they would even skate up there because I thought the weather would be so bad most of the time. So I do pass the username, but I also will pass the user profile. Any. They had an extra. Oh, and I need to pass these down into here. Well, maybe not, because yay! To know what kind, if it is they are the user. Oh, that's the wrong one. I want to put it in here. I don't know what that is. That's the user profile of what, you know? I probably just want to console log everything out. Let's log the comment. Profile 2. Let me just comment out all this crap. Let me just return null for now. How about that? So we can see in our logs what we got. This is taking a second. Give it a second. Give it a second. Well, if you knew anything, you would know that I already saved that. Are you still going to give me an error for it? Or it won't even compile it still? Ugh. So annoying. So we'll click on this. Should show the comments. User profile, user. So that's my profile. Let me copy this out real quick. For reference. User favorite. So we have a user favorite field on the comment. I'm getting some of this info. I need to update this query probably to return the user info as well. I mean the picture. Total count. So there is votes on comments as well. Okay. It's weird the created at date is an actual like date. I don't think. Oh, they all are like that, huh? Okay, I don't think this add comment should be in a box container. Is it this one? Pow, it's in here. Well, let's spit out some data, shall we? A profile 2. So this should be slash profile slash comment.user. Username? Yeah. I'm gonna pull out this is why people do innies. I think this user profile, get user profile. So is get user profile just getting the information user of the main I don't think I'll need that. Clickety clack clack. You like that sound? Is it working? So this should be comment user. I do not play chess. I've played before. Could be my mouse, could be my keyboard, could be all of it. I'm still on my new split keyboard. I'm getting better. Spat on stream, you know. Spat on stream. Comment user dot name. And this is comment dot created at. Bring back the Cadbury eggs. You're gonna have to wait for next season. This shouldn't be a link, I don't think. Shouldn't be a link, I don't think. Comment dot, I don't even know what it's called. What was it? POW comment. Who named these columns? Yeah, rolling on the desk, that did sounded real nice, huh? So I do want to pass down the current user ID as well. My real first name is not Ched, no. It's short for Cheddar, which is my nickname. You don't know my real first name by now? I thought we were friends. I thought. No, not my skateboard nickname. That was like my real childhood name. I don't know. I mean, well, my skateboard nickname was I think they just went by my regular name. But a lot of other people. I was frequently known as Brandon's brother. Brandon is my twin brother who also skateboarded. He was better at me, so he was a good skateboarder. And he was more lively and outgoing, so a lot of people knew me as Brandon's brother. Hmm. Yeah, I know, that's cute, right? Yeah, I have a twin. He's not identical. He's fraternal, but we are the same age. Poor introverted Ched. Yeah. He did just fine in life. He's doing just fine. Yeah. Let me look at this server. Oh, Trash Panda, you don't think he is? Oh, harsh, right? Models, POW comment. POW comment does have a favorite. I shouldn't have deleted that. Okay, so user. How do I get this user to bring back more data? My brother's not a developer. He's not much of a computer nerd like me. He is an accounting finance guy. He's very business-esque. Go-getter. We're not a ton alike. Sometimes we look a lot alike, sometimes we don't. Oh, here it is. No. Wait, this is the model. User to JSON. Melky, how do I tell this what fields to pull? I want to pull the image. User. I think that's the only one I need. To JSON. I mean, it comes in this one. But it might be, I'm wondering if the route limits it. Delete, post, get comments. I wish I could click this and yeah, in the regular one it's working. I'm guessing in here somewhere where we get, I somehow, here we go. Yeah, we're limiting it here. Thanks for the follow, Trading Finance. Is this because I mentioned my brother who works in finance? ID, name, email, username. I don't think we're gonna need like email and shit too. I might drop that out. We'll need the name, the username, and I want the image. Is that right though? That user underscore. Everyone's brother works in finance. Of course, of course. Is that, I'm wondering if, well, let's try it. I don't understand why it would be user underscore something. Wouldn't it be user dot? try it. See if it breaks anything. Oh, yeah, current user ID. I meant to pass that down. I don't just want the current user ID. I would like the whole current user, but that's what the user profile is, right? No. I'm gonna clean this up later. I promise. I promise, guys. Current user ID, any. It's gonna be a string. Let's be honest. And then let's pass it down here as well. That is what they all say. Comment. Oh wait. Is it comment dot user dot ID? Take a nap to get ready for later. That's a good plan. Is there still more problems I'm fixing in here? For sure. Comment out that. Comment out that. Votes. Let's be honest. If you take a nap now, will you be up super late? Unable to sleep? Like Mountain Trash Panda? Which one is this, pal? Number? It's not a number. Everybody, my computer just froze and rebooted in the middle of the stream. My computer just froze and rebooted in the middle of the stream. Why can't I hear anything? Can you hear me? Why can't I hear anything? Can you hear me? Oh, there we go. Echo, my bad, my bad. That should fix the echo. Woo! That was intense. Okay, let me get everything up and running again. So that was strange, right? It's gonna take a while to get this up and running again. Maybe not. Yeah, user image. Can't find it. I need to get my code editor open again. Quit that. Well, I'll quit that whenever it's done, but basically I changed it here. Let's try, oops, not that. Dot image. All right, well, we're getting back. Close out my other one. Is this gonna load though? I might need to reboot the. Yeah, that's probably not gonna work. Comments. Melky, what would be the use case for this? That's funny. I think he was talking to himself, but maybe not. I don't know. Why is it still complaining? Oh, number. these comments don't have, yeah, they're not numbers. This is next. iPow signal. Okay, there we go. Still booting up. Oh, I didn't even start it yet. Restart it. And let's keep editing our code in the meantime, I guess. Huh. Self.image. I'm going to try the comments in comment. Let's comment that out for a second. Let's just give all the comments back and see what we get. Shall we? And we're going to need mutations. Total count. So it's not called votes, it's called total count. There is no user vote. And the user profile, I don't think I should need that, actually. Hi. Running the React script. Lurk or whatever. You're so cool, Trash Panda. All right, I'm gonna be right back too. I'll take a short break. And then when I get back, hopefully this thing will be up and running. Sounds like a cool song. Oh, almost didn't finish. Oh, well, we got to fail compile. We got to fail to compile here, people. Let's get our best people on it right now. In settings.tsx. I thought I deleted this code like 5 times already. Now I can quit merging that shit back in. Jesus. Okay, just a lot of warnings. That's okay, that's okay. We can handle those. There it goes. Pow it! Oh, that's weird. Now it says there's 0 comments. What's that all about, you say? Let's try adding a comment. There should be a comment. I didn't delete that comment. Why is there no comment here? Yeah, something's wrong. Oops. Oh. Cursor. Okay, that's my fault. My fault, everybody. My fault. That is because in here, I did have to return it. It should be for comments in comment. Can I just say comment? Let's try that. Is there a network error? Was there a login error? What happened? It's not JSON serializable. I'll do this. Refresh. And it should come back, not with the 500, but just how do you normally do? You just do 2 JSON? Let me try this. And row for column 2 JSON. Ah. What the hell is that? JSONify comments. Let's try that. I don't know Python. I'm winging it. Get pal comments and then JSONify comments. Is it because this is not a comment model? I can't do the... I don't see why I wouldn't be able to do that. I could do it the other way, but I really don't want to do that. I think that does. Oh, it grabs the last comment, probably. Or maybe not. Let me see some other code samples for this. How's POW model? I feel like So it has it in there. Is it music loud? I don't know. Sounds like it could be. So let me go back to editing it the way I thought it should work. Well, this should work. Minus the avatar. Yes, comments. There it is, comment, comment. These votes are wrong, but that's cool. Can I comment on this? What did the comments result look like? What's this one? No. This one? Let's see if this works. No. Ah, is it just because I forgot the comma the whole time? Why didn't anybody say anything? Why didn't anybody say anything? You just sat there and watched. No, there's still an error. Could not locate column and row for user image. Why not? Why not? Get POW comments query. Is it in there? It's got to be it. No. Oh yeah, it is not selecting all of them. Ha! Oh my gosh. There it is. There's your image. Why is there no comment here? Cool, man. 12 minutes ago, 5 days ago. That was a while ago. We got some comments. Woo. Let's see. How do we want to style it? I'll close that trash out finally. So this total count seems wrong. From POW comment as total count. PCC ID. Count the number of POW comments, I'm guessing, comment IDs. Oh, as count from PAL comment as PCC. PAL comment ID. So this maybe total count is supposed to be the total comments count. I don't know why I would need that on every comment. I would want votes. But I might not want to mess with that. I don't know what I'm doing there. And there's this root comment. Which I don't think we're using. Unless you can do nested comments, that would make sense. But okay. Okay, so that links to my profile just fine. And I can comment, and if I am the profile owner, I want to show the edit button. I have that in here somewhere. Or not edit, but I show the delete button. Are you sure you want to delete this comment? And then on confirm, I will delete the comment. The user vote. I might just leave these commented out for now if you can't vote on anything. Okay. I wonder why the styling isn't the same on these. Margin top 3, let's say border 3. Is that the right color? Or size? Color? Border 2. Border wood smoke. Quaternary. What happened? Where did all these other things come from? Top. It's because I deleted the... justify between, justify end. I guess we could do between, and then I'll do a span for now. I don't think I need that. Something seems like it's not compiling. What's up with the border? I didn't change anything for that, did I? Oh, BG, this should be border. And it should be spelled right. And this should be T. There we go. So I would kind of like this whole thing to have a margin left of 3, just so it's indented a little bit. Not right here, actually, though. I want that to be up here. No. I don't know. I don't know, how do we design this? I definitely don't like the border around that thing. Let's take that off. I think a lot of this we don't need. Oh, did I not change that again? Flex, border top 2, padding top 2. Maybe we should say 4, I don't know, 3. Oops, I messed that one up. try that. Definitely need a div here. To say flex. Flex col. Space Y3. Maybe this should be more. Drop that padding. And give it a margin top of 6. And let me go find the style on the edit profile. On that bio, is the bio just a text field? Let's see. There are no text areas. Okay, let's find another one. Do we have one somewhere? Input fields. Doesn't work with text area yet. I need to actually get on that. But let me copy these styles from it right now. Okay. Wow, Kid Quebs gave the most gifts in there? That's kind of surprising. Thanks, buddy. Oops. Yeah, it didn't look any different to me. But we've got some commenting showing. I can set up the delete, but let's try adding a new one. Fresh new comment for y'all. Lala. And then it just does that ugly thing there, so. Why is there no commentary? It doesn't actually refresh. I should refresh it. And then throw it at the top and set up the delete. So in order to refresh, we're going to say refresh comments equals here's the PAL comments. So this is kind of confusing. Is this a real, it is a use query. I guess I can just do the invalidate query for the PAL comments PAL ID. Use delete PAL comment. Oh, there is some stuff here. Cool. This is not an int though. I don't think that's the right URL either, but close that, close that, close that. Use. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. I meant to do that. There we go. And then here, we'll just take that. I don't want to set query. I want to validate. I don't think I need to do all this stuff. I think I just want to say query client dot invalidate PAL's PAL ID. And it's not actually PAL ID, it's comment.pal ID. Pretty sure. Let's try it. Oh, I left some code in there. Hydrate break. Ah, so good. Okay. I'm gonna try to delete this one. Are you sure you want to delete this comment? Cancel? No, nah, I'm not ready. Okay. Confirm. Network. Error deleting comment. What kind of error? Did it send the data correctly? It's got the PAL ID. Let's look at our delete PAL comment endpoint, which is in POW comment routes. Oh, it's sending the POW ID. I don't want to send the POW ID. I want to send the comment ID. What the hell was I thinking? And that is under just .id. Okay, compiling. Success is true. I hate it when you do that. Can we do this? That's better. Okay, but did you invalidate the queries? Because I don't think you did. I deleted it correctly, but it did not invalidate the query. So let's see. That's not right anyway. Use mutation. POW comments. My fault again. So let's add a new comment. Doesn't refresh correctly. The invalidation probably works, but are we using this in the POW? Is that where we're getting the POW comments? Yeah, use get POW comments. I thought when I invalidate it, it automatically updates for me. Apparently, I was wrong. Oh no, it did. Well, no. It just didn't trigger the refresh right away. Huh. When I come back, when I focus again, it does like a refresh. So that's why it did that. Maybe that's why it's doing the set query cache data instead when they were doing that delete. They did set query data. I'll copy it for now, but I think there's probably a cleaner way to do it. So instead of this, get query data POW comments, set query data POW comments, set of POW ID. It's comments.id. Pages. Yeah, this isn't right. Anyway. Let's look at, delete that. This is extra. Jeez. There. Okay, let's look at React query invalidate. See what their examples say. Hopefully you can read that. Invalidate queries. This doesn't look like it has the styling at all. Where's the text field? It's in here. There's rounded on there. Why isn't it rounded? That's weird. Oh, that file was just like totally out of date still. Okay, so how do I trigger this thing to refresh, huh? On my edit profile, all I did was have to invalidate the query and then it refreshed it. Oh no, I say refresh user. What's doing that? Where's that coming from? So I do want to pass down like a refresh comments thing. Let's do it. Seems wrong, but let's do it. And see, I feel like I can't do the use query. I can't do them in its own function though, right? Use Git. Let's see, what else are we using this for? Because I don't think we should need all that. The whole use Git profile. And that's POW queries. Image as user image. I don't think we need email for anything. I need their name and their username. Okay. Current user ID. And why not just get the whole current user? Remove this and make typing work. Is it still busted? No, it's busted. It's busted. What am I using this for again? Comment. I don't need the user profile anymore. I want to change that then. Set last comment. And what the fuck is a re-render for? I'm gonna rip this shit out because we don't need a last comment. So comment. I don't think we're gonna need to do that either. I'm just gonna rewrite it. pull this out, delete that trash. So that last comment can just die. We don't need you no more. And I don't know what the username's for, so let's drop that. We just want the current user ID. PAL ID. Use form. Class name is text light. This sounds kind of sleepy. Font italic. Is that all it is? Padding Y 4. And I want text center. Hear that beatboxing? Bet it sounds dope. One of these other files is not add comment. I forgot to delete that. I don't think I need the username on it. Why am I still getting errors for that? I deleted that file. Okay. Is that it? Are you done? Memories of You? I thought I already turned this song down. PAL, so I deleted the email somewhere. Where am I relying on that? Oh yeah, I forgot to update these ones. Replace that with that image. What was the other one? Like project? Do they have project query? I want to look for email in server. Might have broke some of those tests. We'll have to see later on. But okay. Started. Let me refresh. It's so white and bright. Let me turn this down for you. Make it a little warmer. How's that? Okay, so if we have no comments yet, okay, I need to do the refresh stuff. So is that right? Like, let me try this real quick. Just want to see if this updates because it should. Man, fucking. Done now. Refresh. Comments. I'm curious if this will trigger the re-render, which will then update. Because I feel like that should be happening automatically. I don't know why it's not. It goes in the add comments. Didn't do anything. What's with this React query stuff? Huh? Thought I was supposed to refresh, yeah? See, like it refreshes when I come back, when I focus. Let's see. React query, refresh, data after. Let's say delete. It should be the same. Free code camp? Wow. Apollo. React Apollo. Maybe I should put the dash on there. A curd operation? Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Let's see what the delete example. I feel like I should write a simple page for this because it should be pretty easy to find. Mark them as stale. The only thing I can think is it's not actually marking it as a stale. Maybe I'm not doing it right. But oh, this is not a use query. Did not notice that. Does that matter? Use add pal comment. This is just a use mutation though. And it takes I guess it doesn't matter because you do it in the mutation. So use add pal comment. On success, might not need to refresh the comments there then. Let's try that, because that didn't work anyway. Should save that too. Okay. True. Come back and refresh it. Be there, of course, of course. Validate weird. Is that what it is? Not in the server. Oops. Queries. Is that why I'm doing it wrong? Pow comments, comma, pow ID. Now when you're like too lazy to type your imports. Let me double check that. Invalidate queries. What is it doing on the window focus refetching? I feel like the query invalidation should automatically trigger a refresh, a refetch. Yeah, that should be happening at that level up there for sure. What comes back from the use query? Get POW comments, POW ID. In the use query, what can we pass in? Yeah, I want to see that config. Where's that config? There. There's a refetch. Can I just call a refetch on one of them? Query client. Okay, fetch query. Does that do it? Let's try. Let's try. Oh shit, it does. So in the delete POW comment, POW comments for, I want the POW ID there, I do. I think that's comment dot POW ID. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. There we go. Why was that so hard? Like, why don't they have an example of that in their normal, like, query things? Am I doing it the wrong way? Feels sketchy to me. Wait, delete that one. Cool. And I want to try logging in as another user now. I don't remember if I already created one. Hey, Juicebox, how's it going? You trying to get pumped up for your Friday night stream? Yeah. Did I make another account yet? I don't think so. Let's make another one. You don't stream on Fridays? Email fake@mail.com. Username faker. Password faker. Password must be at least 8 characters. It's occasional. Yeah. All right, the faker is in. Register successful. That looks really messed up. I don't know why that profile is so. But let's go home. Okay, I see the POWs. I don't see the delete buttons. That's good. So then what are you doing tonight? You celebrating Melky's birthday? Faker. There you go, Faker. Ah. That's fun. That's fun. So should, yeah, I guess that's it. Why does it keep doing that? Poist. This is my first poist. Does follow work? Interesting. It updated. I didn't know that worked. Okay, let's log out. Go back to my regular account. This is my first post. Try harder next time. So, stop that! This is how you get him to back off with that water gun. It's my cat. You want to see her? Have you seen her yet, Juicebox? She's scratching my couch, you know, ruining the goods. Yeah, you've seen her. Jeez. Yeah, the black kitty. Okay. What all did I change in here? Get ST. Change some server stuff too. Server / config. Oops, not Chrome, I won't. I want to see these, make sure I didn't do anything crazy. No, that looks okay. Oh, I need to take that out. POW comments. Is it in here? Yes. Is there any other changes? Fix that true. I was thinking about True's name being True and how hard it must be to be a software developer named True. You hear people say stuff like that all the time and you think it's your name. Oh, there's probably a lot of. Those errors, linter errors, POW comment. Toggle votes. Maybe I should. Current user ID. This shouldn't be, this should be comment.id. Use toggle votes is wrong. Well, maybe not. Server. Is that just happening here? Vote query built. POW ID. Yeah, so these don't exist yet. But, POW comments. Okay, so we don't want that. Compiled successfully. Just So I'm going to need to do some more cleanup on this, but this is a good stopping point. Sad, slow. This is always a good one to go out on. Let's check out our so it is issue number 127. So what do we do? Basic styling of comment UI. Oops, I did a caps lock. Caps lock. And we allow deleting a comment. You can create a new comment. I think that's it. What else do we need to do on it? I mean, I might clean up the code a little bit, but otherwise, I don't know. Let me just create it. Let me see the code I changed. Did I screw anything up, make anything weird? I could probably do some code cleanup. But let me see if there's anything else I need to do in here. So voting, upvoting, and whatever is not a thing. Don't need to do that. I would like to add a text input field text area support. Set shall add comment. That's the stuff I want to refactor. It's called add comment, but it's really the whole comment section. It wants to pass the server test too. Okay. And let me take some pictures for what it looks like. Let me delete it off. Ah, shit, I can't delete that one. Without comments. With comments. And with comments closed. Okay, let's add those. This is a sad song too. Well, dramatic, at least. A little too dramatic for me right now. The first one is sample without comments. Well, let's call it the first one. With comments closed. Sample with comments. Sample without comments. How does it look? It's good to me. Let me just try to run my server tests again because they've been failing. Oops. I guess I don't need to save that now. Not failing because the code was bad. It was just, I was having like errors even running it. Yeah, still going on, so we'll just live with it for now. Okay. Well, that's it for today. Almost 3 hours. Now let's see what is going on with people for a raid. Ending it. Thanks for the good times. Okay. Who we got up on the Twitch? The only person I see is Griffin, but it's Griffin and Chill. So we're gonna have to find someone. How do I search for in science and tech? Oh shit, there it is. Lana is going, I develop things, Stragger. The owls. Ah, Ludum Dare. Everyone's doing the Ludum Dare now, huh? It's one of these random. This guy's got a screen cap of him in the car. Is he driving in the car while he's streaming? There's me. I'm way down there. I'm way down there. Real doctor in training. Making a game in 48 hours. Let's go to Turkey Dev, huh? Is he still alive? Fucking ads. He sounds delicious. Oh, begin bot. I didn't even see him. That's weird. Let's go hit him up. OBS madness. Okay. We're gonna head over there. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I will be back on Tuesday, hopefully with some more OBS setup. That would be nice. I mean, finishing, maybe I'll probably finish the stuff before then. So probably refactor this on my own. Maybe we'll start something new then. I've got a lot of other things to do still on CodePal, but we'll be back very soon. All right, catch you on the other side, okay? right now.